Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of fruit juice blends that promise to pack a punch of health benefits. So grab your juicer and get ready to mix up some goodness. First up, let's talk about a classic combo: apple, carrot, and ginger. This blend isn't just delicious, it's a powerhouse for your immune system. Apples are rich in antioxidants, carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, and ginger adds an anti-inflammatory kick. Perfect for a morning energy boost. Next, we have pineapple, cucumber, and mint. This blend is super refreshing and hydrating. Pineapple is great for digestion, cucumbers help keep you hydrated, and mint adds a burst of fresh flavor. It's like a tropical vacation in a glass. Speaker 1. I love this combo after a workout. It's so rejuvenating. Now let's mix things up with a berry blast. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Berries are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, which are fantastic for your skin and overall health. Plus, the natural sweetness makes this blend a treat without any guilt. Moving on to something a bit exotic: mango, orange, and turmeric. Mangoes are packed with essential vitamins. Oranges provide a hefty dose of vitamin C, and turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This blend is your golden ticket to a stronger immune system. Speaker 1. This one's my go-to when I'm feeling a bit under the weather. The turmeric really helps. For those who like it green, try spinach, kale, and green apple. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are nutrient-dense, while green apples add a tart sweetness and more fiber. This combo is a fantastic way to sneak in your greens without sacrificing flavor. Last but not least, let's talk about pomegranate, beet, and lemon. Pomegranates are antioxidant rich. Beets support cardiovascular health, and lemons are great for detoxifying. This blend is a vibrant, heart-healthy elixir. Speaker 1. The color alone makes me feel healthier just looking at it. So there you have it, 6 incredible fruit juice blends for ultimate health benefits. Remember, the key to a great juice is fresh, high-quality ingredients and a good balance of flavors. Give these combinations a try and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and keep juicing.